Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Vivo Y31 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. To power off, press and hold the volume up and power button together, and now tap to power off the smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together until the Vivo logo appears. Press and hold it, do not release. And when the logo appears after a few seconds, release it. And here you can see it will send you in Vivo 5G fast boot mode. Here volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see it will send you in Vivo 5G recovery. Here we have installed software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, and bottom power off and restart is available. Tap on clear data. Now tap on clear all data. Tap on clear all data, and here you can see clear all data. All data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. As you can see over there, now here you can see OK. Tap on OK, and you can see it is clearing data. Do not use the device. Kindly wait. Okay, so you can see all data cleared. Now return. After it, go back, and you can see on bottom power off and restart is available. Tap on restart. So you can see restart your device. Tap on OK. And guys, after restart it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo Y31 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you very much.